National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Story County in central Iowa, northeastern Greene County in west central Iowa, Webster County in central Iowa, eastern Calhoun County in west central Iowa, Hamilton County in central Iowa, northern Boone County in central Iowa, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Scranton to Grand Junction to Kelly, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Blairsburg, Whitman Hollow State Park, Camrar, Jefferson Municipal Airport, Boone, Jewel Junction, Brushy Creek Street Recreation Area, Webster City Municipal Airport, Pilot Mound, Ogden, Barnum, Duncombe, Summers, Fort Dodge, Dolliver Memorial State Park, Farnhamville, Fraser, Story City, Sheridan, and Dana. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 112 and 145. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Calhoun, Greene, Hamilton, Story, and Webster.